Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to allow everyone to add you to group chats on Instagram using the web version on your PC. Instagram has updated its settings layout recently, so if you've been struggling to find this option, don't worry. This quick guide will walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it to open up more options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control different privacy and messaging features. Now, inside Settings, look for the section called Messages and Story Replies and click on it. Next, find and select Message Controls. This is where Instagram lets you manage who can send you messages and interact with you in chats. Scroll a bit until you see the option related to group chats, specifically, who can add you to them. You'll notice a few choices here. To allow everyone to add you to group chats, simply select everyone.